Today I would like to share with you bubblegum body scrub recipe. If you are a beginner in skincare products DIY, do not worry, bubblegum scrub is easy to make. In this video I explain bubblegum body scrub benefits, active ingredients we need to make body scrub, tools list, formula in percentage, formula in grams, and body scrub DIY instructions. At first let me say welcome everyone to my YouTube channel, Amira Eldoui DIY. Benefits of body scrub. Exfoliating the skin. Body scrub helps remove dead skin cells, contributing to skin renewal and making it smoother and more radiant. Improving blood circulation. The massage during the scrub use stimulates blood circulation, which enhances skin health and aids in cell renewal. Preventing clogged pores. By removing dead cells and impurities, the body scrub helps open pores and prevents the formation of pimples or blackheads. Moisturizing the skin. Many types of body scrubs contain moisturizing ingredients like natural oils, such as almond oil or coconut oil, which provide hydration and softness to the skin. Brightening the skin. Regular use of the scrub helps lighten dark spots and pigmentation, giving the skin a more even and radiant appearance. Muscle relaxation. Massaging with a body scrub can help reduce stress and relax muscles, contributing to a feeling of comfort. Stimulating cell renewal. When exfoliating the skin, new cells are stimulated to grow, helping to maintain a healthy and youthful appearance. Improving absorption of skincare products. Removing dead skin allows the skin to better absorb therapeutic or moisturizing products, making them more effective. Ingredients we need to make bubblegum body scrub. At first we need bath butter. It has many benefits for skin, like moisturizing the skin. Glycerin is an effective moisturizing ingredient that attracts moisture to the skin and helps retain it, providing continuous hydration and preventing dryness. Betaine also helps moisturize the skin and prevent moisture loss, enhancing skin softness. Cleansing the skin. SCI, sodium cocoyl isethionate, is a gentle cleansing agent derived from coconut. It removes dirt and impurities gently without damaging the skin's barrier. Achieving balance in skin hydration. Emulsifying wax helps stabilize the mixture of ingredients and allows the foaming butter to maintain the moisture balance in the skin, preventing the loss of natural hydration. Suitable for sensitive skin. Since the bath butter contains gentle ingredients like glycerin and betaine, it is considered safe for sensitive skin. These ingredients help reduce skin irritation. Improving skin elasticity. Distilled water soothes the skin and helps maintain its natural balance. When combined with ingredients like glycerin, it enhances skin elasticity and gives it a healthy appearance. Achieving balance in skin hydration. Emulsifying wax helps stabilize the mixture of ingredients and allows the foaming butter to maintain the moisture balance in the skin, preventing the loss of natural hydration. Suitable for sensitive skin. Since the bath butter contains gentle ingredients like glycerin and betaine, it is considered safe for sensitive skin. These ingredients help reduce skin irritation. Sweet almond oil, deep hydration for the skin. It contains a high percentage of essential fatty acids that help deeply hydrate the skin, providing noticeable softness and preventing dryness. Improving skin elasticity. The fatty acids in sweet almond oil improve the skin's elasticity, helping to avoid cracks and wrinkles. It also enhances overall skin health, making it look more youthful. Gentle and effective cleansing. When used in body scrub, sweet almond oil helps remove dead cells and impurities without damaging the skin or causing dryness, offering both effective and gentle cleansing. Fighting signs of aging. It contains antioxidants like vitamin E, which help fight free radicals and reduce the appearance of aging signs, such as fine lines and wrinkles. Soothing irritated skin. It has calming properties, making it ideal for soothing sensitive or irritated skin. It helps reduce redness and inflammation, providing a feeling of comfort when used in body scrub. Enhancing skin radiance. Thanks to its nourishing composition, sweet almond oil helps naturally brighten the skin, enhancing its radiance and giving it a healthy, glowing appearance. Improving the appearance of dry and rough skin. Sweet almond oil helps soften and nourish the skin, improving the appearance of dry or rough skin, leaving it smoother and more flexible. Protecting the skin from environmental factors. The oil forms a protective layer on the skin's surface, shielding it from harmful environmental effects such as pollution and sun exposure, helping to maintain skin health. Fragrance oil. giving the product a pleasant fragrance. Adds a captivating fragrance scent to the product. Providing the body with a long-lasting fragrance, gives the body a lingering aromatic scent that lasts for hours. Helping with relaxation and mental comfort, aids in relaxation and provides a sense of mental peace. Preservative. You can find preservative lecture video link in the description box. Tools list you need to make bubblegum body scrub, face mask, gloves and scarf for hair coverage, scale mixer or deep mixing bowl, and electric whisk, spatula droppers, packaging bottles, stickers, bubblegum body scrub, formula in percentage 47% bath butter, 2% almond oil, 1% bubblegum fragrance oil, 1% preservative, 2% hibiscus extract, 47% sugar pink mica. Bubblegum body scrub, formula in grams, 47 grams of bath butter, 2 grams of almond oil, 1 grams of bubblegum fragrance oil, 1 gram of preservative, 2 grams of hibiscus extract, 47 grams of sugar pink mica. Bubblegum body scrub, DIY instructions. Wash, dry, and sanitize all tools used, packaging bottles, and manufacturing surface. Wear the face mask and gloves, and don't forget to cover your hair. In the mixing bowl, add the shower butter and start whisking until the texture becomes creamy. Add the almond oil and continue mixing. Add the essential oil and continue mixing. Add the hibiscus extract and continue mixing. Add the preservative and continue mixing. Add the sugar and continue mixing. Add the mica and mix well until you reach the desired color. Now fill the bubblegum scrub into the containers. Don't forget to apply the sticker. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY skincare tutorials. Leave a comment below if you've tried this scrub or if you have any questions. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time with more fun skincare projects.